Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you free 95 OVR Pele, how to complete array quest in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by open this quest feature. And as you can see, the second quest is array. So this is part of a festival. So if you complete all the quests, all the tasks, there are 5 tasks in total, you can get Pele here. This is for free. He is part of Tots icon player. He got 95 OVR striker position. So the first task all you have to do is easy, just log in 14 days and then win 30 division rifle matches and play 15 challenge. You can go to the challenge mode, try to complete 15 challenges and watch 15 ads. So after you complete all the tasks, you can claim Pele. So please feel to try challenge yourself in this array quest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. Enjoy the game.